So for this activity, I have taken a knife and a potato. Let's see what's happened when we dice a potato into half. After cutting the potato, we can say that surface area has increased. Along the brown peel, we can see a white face. Let us cut this potato into its middle. Again, we can see four white parts, that is telling that the surface area has increased but the volume is constant. This also tells that every time we cut a potato, surface area always increases. See that the surface area of this potato is 4 pi r square. We have taken potato shape as sphere. After cutting a potato into half, we can see that this is pi r square and this is pi r square. And we can also say that the area of both sides is pi r square, that is 2 pi r square plus pi r square plus pi r square, that will be 6 pi r square. Let us see the mathematical explanation for this activity. Activity to find out what makes the french fries more tastier when they are sliced cuboidal in shape instead of triangle potato. To help you understand the concept of surface area of potato, we are taking potato shape as sphere. These lines and arrows are telling the outer part of a potato and the volume. So in the given figure, we can see the volume of a potato and the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. The arrow indicating potato is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square. The thinner line or the inner circles are telling the volume, that are pi r square plus pi r square. So the total surface area of a potato will be 6 pi r square. So now we will cut the potato again and there should be 4 parts of it. After cutting a potato into 4 parts, the total surface area would be pi r square plus half pi r square plus half pi r square. The total is 2 pi r square. So we will be doing like this for the other 3 parts. That will be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square and plus 2 pi r square. The total is 8 pi r square. So see how dicing of a potato increases only the surface area in a potato but the volume becomes constant.